comes on to DIY facial mask, there are many natural ingredients that you can use. However, there's this special natural ingredient that you can use on your skin that can take your skin to the next level. It contains antioxidant, anti-aging properties that will reduce wrinkles, boosts collagen, hydrates the skin, and give your skin a natural glow. This ingredient is none other than the avocado. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share all the many benefits of avocado to your skin when used topically. I'm going to show you how to whip up a really quick anti-aging facial mask, and I'm also going to show you how to use it on your skin for the most effective results. So do not click off, continue watching the video for the full recipe. For this recipe, you're going to need a small blender. Now, our first ingredient is avocado, and avocado is a natural ingredient that is great to use topically on the skin. It is loaded with all the essential vitamins and minerals that your skin need. Now, avocado contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and even vitamin E. It also contains all the electrolytes, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Avocado also contains omega-3 fatty acid, which makes it one of the better natural ingredients for anti-aging purposes. Here I have some avocado that is already cut and peeled. So you want to cut and peel your avocado, and this is some leftover from one of these that I cut this morning. So what I'm going to be doing with this, I am going to blend it to a cream. Now if you do not have a blender, you can go ahead and you can use a fork or a crusher to crush the avocado. So place your blender in the middle right there and add your avocado. Actually, this is half of a small avocado like this. So depending on the size of the avocado that you're using, use about an ounce or so. Okay, so once we add this to the blender, before we start to blend, we're going to reach for our second ingredient. Now here we have our second ingredient, and in my glass here I have some soy milk. Soy milk contains vitamin A, which makes it a great milk to use on the skin. It will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and also boost the collagen production in the skin. So we're going to use about a tablespoon of the soy milk. Now if you do not have soy milk, you can use regular milk. It's really makes a difference to the recipe, but you know, it's okay. It contains lactic acid, which the soy milk doesn't have, but you can go ahead and use it. You can also use some almond milk for this recipe, but definitely if you have the soy milk, go for the soy milk. So now we're going to blend the two ingredients together, blending soy milk and avocado. Now let's take a look. And take a look at this, nice and creamy. Now let's pour this in a bowl. So let's just scoop this out. Now if you want to make more of this mask, you can double up on the ingredient. However, it doesn't really have a long shelf life, so it's best to not make a lot. Make enough for about 2 to 3 uses. Now a little goes a long way, so this amount you can get 3 application. Now look how creamy this is. Nice and creamy. So we have avocado and soy milk. And now we're going to add another ingredient to this, which is optional. You can go ahead and you can use the both of this together. Now here we have our next ingredient, which is aloe vera gel. If you have fresh aloe vera gel, use it in this recipe, but cut your aloe vera gel and place it in the blender when you're blending the avocado on the soy milk. If not, then you're using the store-bought, add it after. Now aloe vera is rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C is an antioxidant that will help to clear pigmentation from the skin. Aloe vera is also smoothing to the skin. It will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. We're using 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and if you're using the fresh aloe vera gel, use about 1 ounce of the fresh aloe vera gel. And now we're just going to blend this in our mixture. Mix well. totally dissolve the aloe vera gel in our avocado soy milk mixture. Now once this is done, this is now ready to use on the skin. However, here is my secret to this beauty mask. What I like to do, I like to place this in the refrigerator, and I let it sit in the refrigerator for about an hour or two before I use it on the skin. That way, it's very chill when I'm using it. Also, I like to use this mask AM. Very, very cold. What it does, it helps to wake the skin up. Make sure to get everything out. And take a look at this. Your avocado facial mask. Your anti-aging facial mask. So I'm going to place this in the refrigerator to chill. And then I'm going to come back and show you how to use it on your skin for best result. Now to apply the mask, you want to start with clean skin and you want to be generous with it. So you're going to take your mask and you can use a brush or you can use your hands to apply it. Personally, I like to use my hands since it feels so good, and I like to rub it on my hands after. So apply the mask all over your face. And it smells amazing. And it just glides on easily. It's like you're rubbing butter on your skin. That's how it feels. Really, really good. Good to go as close as possible under the eyes. And it's also good to take it down on the neck and the décolleté. Just cover. Just have fun with it. It's really nice. Once you cover the neck and the décolleté, you need to put a little more here. Ooh, I just love this. Then you're gonna leave it on your skin for about 30 minutes or so. If you gotta take a bath, you can just lay back in the bathtub while this works on the skin. If not, just walk around with it for a couple of minutes, 30 minutes or so. And then you're going to rinse this off, preferably with cold water. Now this mask is good to use 2 to 3 times a week, but it is safe to use on your skin every day. This is good for most people unless you have sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, go ahead, patch test before you apply. Now when it comes on to a natural glow to the skin, this will help tremendously, but you got to use it on a regular. So go ahead, make it and use it. And here is a tip for you. If you have oily skin, you can actually make a second mask out of this. What you can do, you can blend some oatmeal and mix it in the mixture and use it on your skin. It's gonna also help to absorb the excess oil. So give it a go. Amazing. That's all I can say. So there you have it. What can I say? Amazing, amazing, amazing. Now don't just watch this video. Get yourself some avocado, whip this up and give it a try for yourself. Use it for a few weeks and then come back and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.